Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 19. If we start with this box, we're just missing a 7. And for this row, we're missing a 6. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 3. 6 here, so 5, 6. For this column, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 2. 6 here, so 9, 6. For this bottom row now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this column now, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 9. 6 here, so 7, 6. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 2. But I don't see any other help. So 3, 8, 3, 8. For this column, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 9, no help here, 4, 7, 9, 7 here, so 4, 9. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got a 3 here and an 8 here, so this is our 5. 8 here, so 3, 8. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. For this column, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this top row, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. For this column now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. That 9 makes this our 7. That 8 makes this our 3, 8. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. That 4 makes this our 9, 4. And for this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got 1 and 2 here, so this is our 3. 1 here, so 2 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.